but you're not here. Just empty shadows inside